Yeah. hmm I just want to explain the personal jurisdiction.
Yeah.
Over the domestic violence perpetrator is based on the fact that an act was committed
hmm
which caused a torturous injury in the state.
Yes.
RCW 4.28.28, well, 1851B.
Yeah.
Now, the jurisdiction is in any state where any part of the act occurred, whether or not any of the parties actually reside in the state where the acts were committed.
Yes.
Washington law provides for obtaining jurisdiction over a non-resident under RCW 26.50.240,
hmm
which provides for personal jurisdiction if the individual is personally served with a petition within this state.
Yes.
Now, obviously,
Yes.
the act of the accusation of domestic violence,
Yes.
child abuse, and assault took place on Guam. It didn't actually take place here.
hmm
Now, this torturous injury that my wife accused me of while we were residents of Guam,
Yeah.
hmm it's nice that she moved back here and she made up all kinds of bullshit about what right now.
hmm
hmm But without me getting notice and opportunity to be heard before you issued the final protection order on August 12th of 2011,
Yes.
you did not protect my right to have it realigned where she was the domestic abuser, child abuser,
Yes.
because you didn't. She assaulted me.
Oh,
Now I'm going to sue you for that.
right now.
See, the thought was that you just issue protection orders based upon the false accusation
Yes.
of family violence,
hmm
assault,
Yes.
and child abuse
hmm
because a spouse has another spouse arrested
Yes.
without waiting to find out what the judiciary of Guam said.
hmm
Now, after having two different evaluations,
Yes.
one drug and alcohol,
hmm
and one from a licensed counselor of the Superior Court of Guam,
Yes.
that made the recommendation that I did
Yes.
7 hours of parenting classes,
Mhm.
you issued a
Protection order.
without waiting for any of the judicial decisions of the Superior Court of Guam.
hmm hmm
Now, I had a right to have this realigned
Yes.
because my wife committed domestic violence when she hit me.
Yes.
The only difference is I didn't call the police at that time.
Mhm.
Approximately 2 weeks later, she called the police on the false accusation.
Mhm.
And then when she got here,
Yes.
you did not protect my
Rights.
rights. Now you're getting
Sound.
now. The false accusation of violating the restraint provisions in 2012,
Yes.
where I got arrested,
Yes.
I went to jail,
hmm
and then I was on trial, and you reissued the protection order for 1 year
hmm
based upon the false accusation of violating the restraint provision,
Right now.
where you didn't protect my right to realignment
Yes.
because when I
Appear
appeared,
in court.
you wanted to say that I was guilty when I wasn't. Now, there's this idea of protecting the rights of the respondent.
hmm
You do not have family law court hearings
Yes.
because you reissue
hmm
the temporary protection order 1 week after 1 week after my wife petitioned for dissolution of marriage. Because Clallam County did not wait for any of the judicial decisions of Guam,
Yes.
and Clallam County did not wait for the judicial decision of the trial jury.
Yeah.
Because
Clown.
Clallam County.
Never waits.
Now, I'd like to use the federal courts. Mhm. I'd like to get a copy of that dissolution of marriage.
Yes.
I'd like to know why.
Right now. Right now.